Hold on. You have to get everything out. They knew we were coming. We got all this to clear out. This ain't no joke. Alright.
Nothing was taken, right?
I sure hope not. Oh my god. I'm scared.
Of what?
Of it being loaded down this much. We are literally loaded down.
Yeah, we are.
Jeez. Look, it holds a queen size bed. Holds your weight.
Did anything fall over? No, it did
Yeah.
not. Oh yeah, my little grill.
That you didn't move.
My little mini grill that I never moved. You're right.
All right. Let's set this baby up. Alright, this is how we're looking. So got all that. All this mess. We got pretty much all of here. Gotta clean this out. That room is empty with boxes.
Okay, hold it down. Put your hand down. Right here. All right.
I says happy daddy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Then I'll go outside.
What?
And then I'll go outside.
What are you doing? I'm working in here. Pretty much everything is cleared. All these drawers are like empty. Oh, that's that one. All this over here. There somewhere. Yeah. Alright. That's still the same. The bedroom. We got all the dressers, the desks out. I'm just gonna deal with all that pile of clothes. And then we're taking the couches and probably the TV. But we got everything moving. I miss this place. So the couches and TV are out. Finally gone. Got a mess. The bed is wreck. But we got it. Alright, so we got all of that loaded up. We got all back here loaded. All the way to the back, you can't see, but all the way to the back. Alright, so we took legit everything. I don't even have a TV to watch tonight. We're staying here. We have no couches, no TV, nothing but trash and clothes. So, yeah. I don't even think we have two bushes. Yeah, majority of them are, yeah.
Está bien, jefe. Está bien. Okay. Okay. Right.
Man.
Everything that's big, heavy, still room out here.
Should have taken that on the dolly.
Échate 3 bolsas con todo el mar y de verdura llena. Todo.
Everything's cleared out. Over here. Let me get some water. Let's go. Whoa. Okay.